Hey everybody, I'm excited to introduce you to a project we've been working on called IllScripts. To put it simply, IllScripts is like your own personal Wikipedia of illness scripts that can be exported to Anki decks. So let's look at an example here. So we can go to our website and create a pancytopenia script, and then go into our pancytopenia script and add parents, which would be leukopenia, as well as anemia and thrombocytopenia. So after adding our parents to our script, you can now see that IllScripts has generated a diagram of what our relation between our scripts is. We can now go into each of these scripts individually and add symptoms. So this is now leukopenia, so we'd say recurrent infection. And for results, we might put that they would have a CBC and it would be low white count. Now I can go to anemia and say that the symptom would be fatigue, and the physical exam might be pallor. So now we can go into our last one, thrombocytopenia, and put a symptom as recurrent nosebleeds. So we now have our pancytopenia script and its three parents. You can go here to pancytopenia and see that it has now inherited all of the physical exam and symptoms and results from its parent items. The next step we can do is take these new scripts we've made and export them to Anki. So if we go here, we can download the IllScripts Anki connection and also the pop-up dictionary add-on. We click on each individually and install them. And then we just need to go ahead and go to our add-ons and go to pop-up dictionary and just change the config so that the note type that we use is going to be IllScripts. Okay. So now we need to restart Anki so that the changes go into place. So we next hit this sync button over here, and you'll see that IllScripts has now automatically generated cards from the website. So we can go here to structure first, and under structure we can work to memorize this schema that we've formed. So there will be parent and children cards here. So parents of pancytopenia are anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia, as we just learned. And thanks to our pop-up dictionary, we can now highlight each of these cards, and we can see the definition that we've made for them. So definition of leukopenia is that it has symptoms of recurrent infection, and the results have a CBC with a low white count. You can additionally go a level deeper and find pancytopenia as a child of it. So going through this deck will help you to memorize the structure of the schema. Next is the attributes cards. These cards will be auto-generated from your symptoms, your results, and your physical exam findings. So symptoms of leukopenia would be recurrent infection. And this will make a series of cards that you can basically go through. For our lecture today, I have generated a schema on IllScripts and exported a deck. We are providing this to you as students so that you have the chance to try learning through this new style that we've been working on, and we hope to get feedback from you on how that worked, what changes we can make in the auto-generated cards, and what you think of the design as a whole. I should note that IllScripts as a website is not ready for use yet. So if you try going there, you might run into a bunch of errors. So we're just trying out the cards for now.